Quella che abbiamo visto fino ad ora è la fase di prelinea.
From here, the real assembly line begins. The cart and the motorcycle are placed onto the line, one after the other, and the final assembly process begins.
Each cart holds all the pieces needed to build one particular bike. The carts make the assembly line remarkably efficient. At MB, they can build whatever model they want, whenever they want it.
We can mix one Brutale, one F4, one Claudio Castiglioli, in principle, in principle. Dicevo, questo è l'inizio della catena.
This is the beginning of the assembly line. In this section, we mount the suspension, which includes the handlebars and the front brakes. We also install the bike's electrical system. For each station, there is one person. We prefer to keep one person at the same station, even if they are capable of working on other parts of the assembly line. We think that it improves quality and safety.
There are 16 main stations along the final assembly line, compared to as many as 50 at mass-produced motorcycle factories. And it takes more time for the final assembly line at MV Agusta, about 4 hours per bike compared to an hour at larger motorcycle companies.
Facciamo la sistemazione, quindi
Here, we put in place and fit the remaining electrical components. We mount the headlight and the dashboard, and we put on the chain. There is no rushing or time restrictions, because we want to make sure that people have enough time to do their job properly.
solo la moto più avanti.
Here we can see the motorcycle with more pieces added, including the radiator and cooling system. It may seem that the first phases of final assembly are the most difficult because there's a lot of parts being assembled. What's harder to see are the later phases of building the bike, when we focus on checking that everything has been properly installed. Those checks are very complex and highly detailed. This is the end of the assembly line process where the motorcycle is complete. A very important process for us is the identification paperwork that goes along with the motorcycle. At every step, each employee who works on the bike has to stop and sign a quality control form.
This technician uses a dynamometer, a special machine that measures engine power and performance to run each new bike through its paces. Once the technician is satisfied, he too will sign his name to the checklist. For most companies, this is the last step in the process, but not at MV Agusta.